Hey guys, today we're going to do inside s'mores. These are so cool to do with your kids. Renly, tell Grandma Kathy that Connie said we can do these when the next time you go to her house. Ashley, do them with your daughter there, Renly. We have, here I'm just going to go ahead and start. I have pretzel sticks, just the little normal sticks you get, and a marshmallow. So simple. Requires no fire. On a rainy day like today, we're having like a little s'mores. And then I have some graham crackers already crunched up and some melted chocolate. You can probably see where this is going. We are dipping our marshmallow in our chocolate. And Billy already had one, so how is it, Billy?
Very good.
He's like, ooh,
I could eat a dozen of them.
He thought that was just a stick and not a marshmallow. I said, you can eat that too. And then we're going to dip this in chocolate. Just like that. Or dip it in the graham cracker crumbs. Just like that, guys. Look how cool that is.
Well, that's a pretty neat idea.
Well, these are two stuck together, so we'll see how this works. So simple, and the kids will love it. Great afternoon snack.
You can't beat marshmallows and chocolate anyway.
And then they can help you. So, Renly, make sure you tell your Grandma Kathy that she needs to get some pretzels and marshmallows for you. So we are dipping and just putting it in the graham crackers.
And I told Miss Connie to grind up some pecans and roll them in it.
He did. And I said, that's not s'mores.
Who cares? It'll taste good.
You know how he likes his nuts. He's nutty.
Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't.
Most of the time you do.
Well, because I'm around you.
All right. So, look at those. How cute are those?
Very.
I'm going to do some more and put them in the refrigerator to let them sit. And we're going to have a little snack here in a little bit. So, guys, if you like this, follow, subscribe, share, comment, please. So simple for the kids to do. Have a great day.
Easy recipe.
It's so easy. That's all we do.
We like easy.
Peace out.